So, hey guys, I'm actually on a hike, and I know that I haven't vlogged for quite some time because I was busy for work and for school, and yeah. So now I'm actually in a trail here in Moon called Rainbow Railing, and I just started my hike. So yeah, it's really been a long time. I think it's been a month I haven't posted anything. So yeah, I'm on a hunt, hike hunt. Yeah. So yeah. So we're gonna go all the way up here. Yeah. We're going all the way up and see what's up there. They say this is like the easiest trail, but I don't know. It's been a long time I haven't hiked too. I just had this random thought to just go for a hike. So yeah, let's see what the mountain has. Oh god, I'm so tired. So you can see the place is actually nice. It's covered with trees, so it doesn't. And today it's not that quite hot here up in the mountain. They have like little houses here too. Wow. You know, it's just been, I think, 5 minutes, and I'm already tired. So yeah, just going all the way up. Oh, where am I supposed to go? Oh, here. Let's go there. Showing this sign, Country Park. I'm so tired already. It's okay. I got this. Yeah. It's cool here. It's just, here you got houses. Country Park. Here, Country Park. You got houses and a little bridge. And here we go. Okay. I think I'm supposed to go all the way up. I think. Oh, shit. Yep. All the way up. Okay. It's kind of cool up here. And oh shit. Okay. Let's take a break, guys. Let's take a breather. Oh, that's a big ass ant. So we're heading there to that one, rainbow railing, and the next one is the country park. So yeah, I'm heading to the Chunmun Trail, that one. So yeah, let's go. Oh my god. I'm still here. I'm still not all the way up. I'm gonna get there. We're gonna get there. Oh. Oh, look at the view. You know, hiking actually helps with many things. It helps you distract your mind. So I technically reached almost 70%. We came from there and then we're gonna go from there. So yeah. Yeah, my head is hurting, but I'm okay. I literally look like I'm crying. See? Where is it? There. It's okay, it's alright. Okay. Let's go. So I almost reached the top of the mountain. So this is the view now. That's the view now. And yeah, I'm almost there, guys. I'm almost there. A few more. It's really tiring. I'm tired and hungry. See? All that sweat. Okay. Outfit check. Kidding. Keep watching. We reached it. We reached the rainbow railing. Yes. We reached it, guys. The rainbow railing. The rainbow railing. See? This is it. This is what I've been waiting for. See? Wow. Just look at that. Just wow. Wow. Nice. Okay, so we just finished with the rainbow railing, the one with the nice view. Now there's another trail going to the Lamte Reservoir, and it's only like 45 minutes, so I don't know, since we still have time, I thought of like might seeing it, because I don't think I'll be coming back here. So yeah, let's see. So I didn't continue my trip all the way up because nature called. And then I don't know, my tummy started hurting, so I was like, nah, I don't think I can make it. So right now I'm going all the way back to where I started. So yeah, well, actually this hiking thing, I've done it like a lot of times. I went to the peak, I went to the Wong Tai Sin, I went to the Dragon's Back, and now I went here. So actually I would say this trail is more easy than the one in the Dragon's Back, because it was crazy hot. No, not Dragon's Back, Lion's Rock, my bad, Lion's Rock. Yeah, so this place is like chill, and it's near my home, so I don't really have to travel much, just have to walk. But yeah, I really like it, like just look at this vibe. I mean, the weather is hot today, but then the air up here, it's not that hot. Like, I can take it. So yeah, I don't know, but I've been really like not active in the social world that much, because I did not delete, but I stopped using IG for quite some time. So to those who are messaging me or what, I'm sorry, but I'm really not I just don't want to be part of IG yet. So yeah, because really nowadays it's just, I've been so busy working and school. Like, I literally just graduated. Well, not graduated, but I finished my term. I finished it already. So maybe by like next month I'll be getting my certificate, and then yeah. And I don't know, they said next year maybe the graduation will start. Yeah, on like January or something. So yeah, well, that's like how it is and how it was. And I really don't have much to say all the time, but the thing is, sometimes people have to isolate themselves to understand what's happening in their surroundings. Because the more like we distract ourselves to understand what's happening around us, the more we are like getting farther and further away from how to solve or how to understand yourself more better. Because the thing is, every problem needs to have a solution. And if you're just going to like distract yourself again and again to not fix your problem, then what's the point, of living? So I would say to whoever is like, getting their heads or thoughts like crazy, I would say maybe just take a breather, just calm down, like just isolate yourself, not from the people who loves you, but like isolate yourself from things that you don't need, that are unnecessary. You know what I mean? I have to learn it the hard way. But I'm always thankful, for people who, especially my mom, my family, they're always there. Because I'm the type of person who doesn't really open up much to anyone. Like, I barely open up. When I open up, it means like I trust you in my whole heart, in my whole life. But I can't open up when it's like it's there. The problem is there. I can't. Like, I think my mom was that person and is still that person, but I wouldn't say like anyone I like, like how people sometimes randomly just share their problems and you're just a listener. Yeah, I'm not that. I'm the listener. So, but now I kind of realized that life is full of more things that not everyone gets to know. Like, people think life is just this, but actually, if you push more out of your boundary, your comfort zone, I think it will be more than like it's just this. You know what I mean? So yeah. So I'm really trying to put more thoughts of myself more and more compared to what can destroy me, what can hurt me, what can ruin my my path, my dreams. Yeah. So if you're like me and you have your thoughts, or maybe you have like feelings that are all bottled up and you just don't know when to let it go, I suggest you guys to really take a breather. Like, it doesn't matter how you want. Can be you can maybe go for a swim, go for a hike, go for a run, and most of all, listen to your parents. Always listen to your parents, because sometimes the good thing that you think is good and they're telling you it's not, it's really not. Because especially moms, not moms but parents, They really do look out for you. You just think they don't, but they do. So always listen to your parents. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna keep hiking now. This is so nice to see.